Snow fungus dessert is ready.
It's very creamy. Add some goji berry.
Just one small piece of tremella make a huge pot. I didn't put too much sugar. I didn't put any sugar at all. The sweetness just came from the pear and the jujube and the goji berry. Tremella is also called snow fungus. It moistens the lungs, beautify the skin, and nourish the yin. Lily bulb calm the mind. Almond moisten the lungs, relieve coughing. And the pears generate fluids, relieves dryness. Red day and jujuberry tonify qi and blood. Best for dry throat and coughing.